We're beginning with the Air Force show as the nation is celebrating the 93rd anniversary of Indian Air Force today.
Number one.
Established on the 8th of October in 1932, this momentous occasion marked the beginning of a vision for air power that would shape the nation's defense for decades to come. And these are the latest visuals that are coming in this morning from that very Air Force show. We also have our defense correspondent Akash Sharma joining us on the broadcast. Akash, visuals come in and this image makes every Indian proud. Just tell us more, take us through what all is happening there.
Right. So, Griha, we are celebrating 93rd Air Force Day today. It is one annual event that we see every year, and at this point in time, it is being celebrated at Hindon Air Force Station, where we are seeing these visuals. Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh is reviewing the parade, and the air warriors, who were a very part of the sort of operations that have happened in the last few years, especially the Operation Sindoor that we have seen just a few months ago. Right now, you are seeing these visuals where Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh is reviewing the parade, and also, we have the other chief guests, including the Chief of Defence Staff, CDS General Anil Chauhan, and other air officers. This day is very important, Griha. This time it is happening at Hindon, but it was after Prime Minister Narendra Modi's appeal that these important days should be celebrated, at different places in the country. And that's the reason why we have seen celebrations last year, in southern parts of India. Then before that it was in Prayagraj, before that it was in Chandigarh as well. And earlier it used to happen in Hindon. The important part of today's event is that, today we are not going to see any flypast because, flypast will be happening in Guwahati in the next month. They have divided flypast and the parade. And from now onwards, we'll be seeing the flypast as a different element. Today, in static display, of course, we are going to see a number of aircraft and also the awards and the citations we are going to see. Indian Air Force is going to award, all those air warriors who have shown courage and bravery during Operation Sindoor. And today we are going to see the commanding officers of different units like S-400 units, Rafale units, 230 unit, and other units who played an important role in Operation Sindoor. In some time from now, Griha, parade will begin where air warriors will be, in fact, will be a part of this parade. After that, we will be seeing the citations for the sort of awards. We have been given to understand that around 97 individuals and, in fact, the air warriors from Indian Air Force will be awarded. We have 7 units, who will be given unit citations. In fact, these are the squadrons that will be given unit citations because of their exemplary courage and bravery that was shown during Operation Sindoor. After that, a static display is of course there, and we are seeing these visuals where Chief of Army Staff General Upendra Dwivedi can also be seen. Griha, this is the parade that is happening. We are showing these visuals to our viewers that how this occasion is being celebrated at Hindon Air Force Station, where we have all the top officials of Indian Air Force. Along with it, we have officers from Indian Navy and Indian Army as well. This is an important day. Remember, back in 1932, the Air Force, in fact, was established as an auxiliary Air Force of the British India. And since then, we have been seeing this particular day being celebrated. And in fact, it was another day earlier, but then it was decided that, the 8th October, the particular date should be celebrated as Indian Air Force Day. And Indian Air Force, we know that how has been serving the nation today. They have a variety of aircraft. They have been flying, across the globe, taking part in different exercises, taking part in the sort of rescue and relief operations that generally, are going on different sort of natural calamities. And we have seen that how Indian Air Force has, in fact, taken part in Operation Sindoor. You must be remembering that how initially in the 9 targets, 2 distant targets were engaged by Indian Air Force. We know that how after the sort of aggression that we saw from Pakistan during Operation Sindoor, in the month of May, it was BrahMos launched by Su-30 MKI of Indian Air Force that carried out destruction and destroyed several sort of facilities, radar stations, control centers, and also the jets that were parked at several Air Force stations in Pakistan. S-400 of Indian Air Force, we know that how has destroyed several high-end aircraft of Pakistani Air Force in air. In fact, one early warning system was also destroyed. Recently, during his annual press conference, we know that how Indian Air Force Chief mentioned the sort of damage and destruction happened on the other side of the boundary, especially during the narrative war, that we have been seeing on social media. It was revealed that how Indian Air Force was capable of carrying out the sort of strikes and destructions in Pakistan. Today is the day when we are celebrating the courage and the valor of our air warriors. Today is the day when we are going to recognize those who were a very part of Operation Sindoor and who have shown their exemplary service during Operation Sindoor. In some time from now, Chief of Air Staff will, of course, be speaking, will, of course, address the air warriors in the entire country. Air Force is one force that is, there in the service of nation for the entire year. We have seen how in Himachal, how in Uttarakhand, how in Jammu and Kashmir, Air Force has played an important role, Griha. We know that how during floods, it was Air Force that using, its helicopters.
Absolutely,
And,
Akash, while you speak more on that, we have this grand parade that is underway and the grandeur of the Indian Air Force is on full display at the Hindon Air Base. Let's take a look at this for our viewers.